The staple food item during Ramadan month is dates. Let us prepare a delicious nutrient-packed milkshake using this wonderful fruit. First, I will de-seed this soft dates. Transfer it to a blender jar. Since the dates are soft, I need not soak it. I'll be adding a little amount of water and making its puree. Then I'll be adding a little amount of chilled milk. Blend it again. To make it more delicious, I'll be adding few scoops of vanilla ice cream and blend it to a consistency that it can be slurped using a straw. Dates offer a host of health benefits and are easily digested, making them a quick source of energy and nutrients, and it is a good snack after a day long of fasting. I'll be drizzling a little amount of date syrup. This is totally optional, and our delicious nutrient-packed dates milkshake is good to go. Show the channel some love by subscribing it and clicking the like button. Eid Mubarak!